Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, English from Scratch. In this video, I will explain 10 common phrasal verbs that are widely used in everyday English. Phrasal verbs are verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs that create new meanings. These expressions are very common in spoken and written English, and they are very important. Today we will learn 10 basic phrasal verbs that are used widely. I will explain the meaning of each phrasal verb, give a simple example, and include a note on when or how it is typically used. Let's begin. 1. Give up. It means to stop doing something, usually because it is too difficult. Its synonym is surrender or quit. Example, I gave up trying to fix the computer. Note that this phrase is commonly used when talking about quitting a habit, a task, or a goal. 2. Come across. It means to find something or someone by chance. Its synonym is encounter. Example, I came across an interesting article online. Note that the phrase is often used when something unexpected is discovered while doing something else. 3. Look after. It means to take care of someone or something. Example, she looks after her younger brother after school. Note that this phrase is common in situations where responsibility is involved, such as childcare or pet care. 4. Run into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly. It is like the previous phrasal verb that we took a minute ago. Do you remember it? Yes, come across. Example, I ran into my old friend at the supermarket. Note that it usually refers to social or casual encounters without prior planning. 5. Take off. This phrasal verb has 3 different meanings. Let's take them. The first one is for an aircraft, to leave the ground and begin to fly. For example, the plane took off at 8 a.m. Meaning to become successful quickly. For example, her business took off after she advertised online. Meaning 3, to remove something, especially clothing. For example, he took off his shoes before entering the house. Note that this is one of the most flexible phrasal verbs with multiple meanings depending on context. 6. Turn down. It has 2 meanings. Meaning 1, to reduce the volume or level of something. For example, please turn down the music. Meaning 2, to reject an offer or invitation. For example, she turned down the job offer. Note that this phrasal verb is often used with polite refusals or adjustments to noise or brightness. 7. Break down. This phrasal verb has also 2 meanings. Meaning 1, when a machine or vehicle stops working. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Meaning 2, when a person loses emotional control. For example, he broke down and cried during the speech. Note that the meaning is clear from the context, technical versus emotional failure. 8. Get along with. It means to have a good relationship with someone. Example, I get along well with my coworkers. Note that it is often used in both personal and professional relationship contexts. 9. Put off. It means to delay or postpone something. Example, I put off doing my homework until the last minute. Note that it is frequently used when someone avoids doing a task, especially something unpleasant. Call off. It means to cancel an event, plan, or activity. Example, they called off the meeting due to bad weather. Note that it is used when something that was scheduled will no longer happen. These 10 phrasal verbs are commonly used in everyday English. Understanding and using them correctly will improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's review. Give up. Come across. Look after. Run into. Take off. Turn down. Break down. Get along. Put off. Call off. Try to use these in your own examples and listen for them in real conversations. Now, time for the story. The story will include all the phrasal verbs to help you see them in an interesting context. Last weekend, I came across an old travel magazine while cleaning my room. It had pictures of mountains, beaches, and beautiful cities. I instantly felt like going on an adventure. At first, I planned to go alone, but then I thought it might be nice to travel with my cousin Sam. He and I get along really well, and we hadn't seen each other in months. So I called him and asked if he was free. He said yes. We were going to fly out on Saturday, but the airline called off our flight due to bad weather. I was disappointed, but we didn't give up. Instead of waiting for the airline to reschedule, we rented a car and decided to take a road trip. Halfway through the trip, the car broke down. We were stuck on a quiet road with no signal. Luckily, Sam ran into a friend of his at a nearby gas station. What are the chances? His friend offered us a ride to the next town. When we arrived, we saw a small hotel and asked if there were any rooms available. The receptionist said yes, but we turned down the suite because it was too expensive. We chose a simpler room. The next morning, Sam wasn't feeling well, so I decided to look after him. I bought him medicine and let him rest while I explored the town. We had planned to go hiking, but I had to put it off until he felt better. By the time we got home, we were tired but happy. Our plans didn't go perfectly, but somehow everything took off from there. Sam and I promised to travel more often, even if things don't go exactly as planned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons.